Welcome to my life as I live it. I'm Army Princess, the mother, wife, and soldier, and I want to share this journey with you. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe now so you don't miss a moment of it. Good morning, guys. You gonna say good morning?
Yes, I will tell you Daddy said hi. Daddy!
Well, Daddy is in the bathroom. Come back over here. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So
Today we're going for a walk, and we're going to check out the new school.
Is it my channel or your channel? It's both of our channels. We're going to have a channel together?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to have a channel together where she talk. So today, we are day 2 in the house. Day 2 in the house.
It's our first time taking a nap in the house.
Yes, yesterday was our first time sleeping, and today is going to be her first time taking a nap in the house. But we just woke up. We just ate breakfast.
And now we're going to eat breakfast and scratchy dinner.
I don't know what scratchy dinner is, but we just ate breakfast, and we are going to tour the school today. Giselle, are we going to see your new school?
Yes.
So we are trying to see if we can tour 2 possible schools for Giselle. We want to try to put her in private school here in Virginia. So Miss Giselle needs to be in somebody private school. This little girl is too smart to be sitting in daycare, but she missed the cutoff for pre-K in Georgia because her birthday came after September. So up here, they said that she can go to pre-K, but it has to be private school. So we are going to visit possibly 2 schools today for her. I'm going to try to take you guys along with me. Right now, she's just combing my hair, and we are doing like a little preliminary walkthrough in the house to make sure, to check on anything that's broken.
It's almost done, Mommy. It's almost done.
Oh, girl, you made me look so pretty, girl. So cute.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Look in the mirror. You can see.
I see. Oh, girl. I look so pretty. My hair. You should be my beautician. But anyway, so we probably go to the park or go for a walk around the neighborhood just to check out the neighborhood. We need to go to the store and get a little bit more cleaning supplies. Last night on the vlog, you saw that we were going to the store to get some cleaning supplies. But there's a few other things that I want to get. The washer and dryer.
Excuse me, Mommy. I want to go get some bath bomb.
Some what?
Bath bomb.
I don't know what that is.
A bath bomb.
We have some?
No.
Oh, you want to get some from the store?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So there's a few things that we have to, excuse me, a few things we have to get from the store. So I'm going to take y'all along with me on day 2.
My car from real. With the lower. Lower. Closer.
Woke up in the morning.
There's my party day, but something must be.
Oh, they have cots here. Look at the cots.
Let me see if I can
Look.
find.
I know.
Mm-hmm.
It's in the folder.
And they have block area.
There it is.
It's everything
You see the kids out there?
There we go. We
They
all
have a
got it.
playground.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you could tell, like, you could see the evidence on the wall. Miss D'Amica and them has them writing their own dictations. You know, we have, they do
Giselle, let's look over here.
field trips in here.
Look at over here on this board.
They just went to the pumpkin patch because we learned about how pumpkins grow, the reproduction.
Oh,
of
they're learning
fall-
about pumpkins
the
too.
fall festival, the fall holidays.
Like what Miss Darlene taught you about the pumpkins.
Do you provide breakfast, lunch, and then
Okay,
a
Sean.
snack in the afternoon, and then a later snack in the afternoon?
Okay.
Wow, and it's a big turtle. Where's the turtle? Show me. Point to it. Go up there and point to it.
Right there. It's right there under the big rock.
His name is Tinley.
Tinley?
Tinley the turtle. Can you tell them about the turtle?
The turtle is
And sleeping. Hey guys, what's up? So I was going to take a nap because Giselle is currently laying down for her nap, but we have people that are coming to look at the garage. Well, they're out there now looking at the garage because something's wrong with our garage door, won't close, and something's wrong with the toilet upstairs. It just keeps running. So they're going to look at that, and it's in the room. It's in our master bedroom where I was going to take a nap. So I decided to clean. So today we went and bought a bunch of cleaning supplies, like I said earlier, at the PX and last night. And as you can see, like, well, I don't know if you can see, but there's like crumbs and stuff that was left behind. And I just want to wipe down everything. So I want to wipe down all the cabinets. I got like some cabinet lining stuff that I like to put in the cabinets. And then wipe down the refrigerator and clean the refrigerator before we go to the grocery store and put food in it. So clean with me, guys. Clean with me. I'm just gonna wipe this stuff down while Gabriel is outside talking to the fixing people, and then I want to do an empty house tour before we start filling the house up with stuff. But that is our living room area. Let me see if I can get the light to go back right. There we go. So that is our living room area off from the kitchen. We got new granite countertops, new appliances, well, gently used appliances, and but we're just renting. So this is cool because we're only going to be here a year, and I'll talk about that more when I go into the empty house tour. But right now I'm going to clean, guys. We're going to clean. So I don't know about y'all, but I know when I move into a place, I like to write everything down because I don't know how clean the people was before I moved in this place. And I don't want to just be going putting my dishes in somewhere that's suspect. So, like when we just moved out of our house, we hired a cleaning crew to come and actually like do a deep clean, because your girl here wasn't gonna clean the whole house from top to bottom so people can move in. But obviously we didn't hire a cleaning crew, and we think this house has been sitting for a while and they just kind of renovated it. So I gotta do my standard clean up, move in, clean up. Y'all, please let me know in the comment section if you've ever moved. Let me know in the comment section. Do you like wipe down your cabinets and wipe down your bathroom before you actually use it? Because I know I'm not the only one. I can't be the only one that does this. So now we start the empty house tour. As you enter in, as you all can see, this is our formal living room. It has a nice formal living room lights. These curtains, please don't mind the curtains. These were from the prior tenants. They will be coming down. This side is going to be the formal dining room. We don't know if we're actually going to use it like a formal dining and living. It'll probably be Giselle's play area. As you walk in, you see the family room or the actual sitting living room area. This area is actually pretty spacious, and I like it because it has a lot of windows, and right off from the living room area is the breakfast eat-in kitchen area. So breakfast area or eat-in kitchen, and you can actually see from the kitchen into the living room area, which is really nice. It gives it that open concept look, and that's just a glance at the kitchen area. So we don't really have much of a backyard. This is what the backyard is looking like at the moment. We think the previous tenants just didn't want to deal with it, so they put rocks down. We'll probably deal with it in the summertime. But right now, this is my new kitchen. I really, really like it. It's really nice. Stainless steel appliances, lots of cabinetry, granite countertops, a double sink. So it's really good for us right now. And like I said, we're just renting. We're going to rent for the year and then see what we're going to do in a year. But for now, this is really nice. A nice range stovetop and microwave. And I'm really loving this space. And so right off from the kitchen here, we have our first bathroom. This is just a guest bathroom. Nothing special about it, just a sink and a toilet, basically. And I also believe right there, before you come into the bathroom, is a coat closet. So walking back towards the front door, we have door number 1, the garage door, and door number 2 is the basement door. Now we are upstairs. We are heading into our master bedroom. This is a nice size room. It's not as big as our last room in Georgia, but it's a very nice size. It has lots of windows. That's what I really like about this house. It has lots of windows and lots of closets as well in this house. But this is just an overview of what the bedroom is looking like. Right here in the front corner is a closet. It's probably going to be my little beauty room, my little beauty closet. I think I'm going to take this as mine. And then we are going to head into the bathroom. So as we head into the bathroom, we have a huge soaking tub and a shower. This is my favorite room in the house because I love to soak in the bathtub. And we also have another closet right off in the bathroom. So it's kind of cool. We'll probably use that as our main closet. And then double sinks in the bathroom. Gabriel and I do not have to share once again, which is really nice. And that's me. Hey. And there's also a separate toilet, which I really like because somebody could be in the bathroom getting ready, and then the other person can be in the toilet room, I guess, and you don't have to interfere with each other. So now the first bedroom on the right is going to be the baby's room. It's just a small little room. It has 2 small closets, nothing special about it, but I think it will be perfect for the baby's room because it's right off from our bedroom. As we walk down the hallway, on the left we have a nice size linen closet. Bam! And then we have the laundry room. As we enter the end of the hallway, we have what Giselle has claimed as her bedroom. It's actually a nice sized bedroom. Both of the bedrooms are the same size at the end of the hallway. So that is hers until we get her furniture. And then this is going to be the guest bedroom, which will probably be where my mom stays when she comes to live with us next year. And they are both nice sized bedrooms that look off into the backyard with nice size closets. Okay, so coming out of the bedrooms, that's the hallway. This is going to be Giselle's bathroom pretty much. She has double sinks. Hey, me again. A shower and a bathtub, standard bathroom. And that's pretty much it down that way. And then as you walk back, of course, you walk back to our bedroom, which is right at the top of the steps, and down the steps into the front foyer. I really, really like the layout of this house. I think it's perfect for us. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Hey guys, so we just came from the park, took Giselle for a walk around our neighborhood, and I am going to go ahead and end this. I am going to go ahead and end this vlog here.
Excuse me, can I talk?
Yes.
And then we're gonna end this thing, and then we're gonna get out of here.
Yes, we're about to go get dinner. We're gonna go get pizza and meet up with some friends in Virginia. Look at your mouth. Giselle was eating yogurt. But we're going to go ahead and end this vlog here. I hope you liked everything. I hope you liked the day. I hope you liked the empty house tour.
We will call you later.
Say bye. Like this.
Bye. Hey, if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like, what are you waiting on? Go.